Describe your role and responsibilities and how will you achieve these? Describe your role and responsibilities and how will you achieve these?
Okay. So the role I'm contesting is for division director. As a division director, my understanding is I will be working closely with the Toastmasters District 92 leadership. One, to make my own division sustainable and also to help the district overall in achieving its goals, be it educational or membership. Now, coming to my role as a division director, how I will be achieving that, there are certain things that I have in mind which will help me. Like I said, my goal or my vision is to make Division E a sustainable division. So, how I'll be achieving that is first working on membership. Right now, if I talk about my division, us being a corporate heavy division, we see a number of roadblocks coming for membership. One is new membership and also renewal. So I would be wanting to work directly with the clubs and my ADs closely to achieve that, and also work with seasoned Toastmasters and my ADs to make it sustainable in terms of the educational goals also. Over to you, Manu.
What is your strategy to promote Toastmasters to non-members that live in our district? What is your strategy to promote Toastmasters to non-members that live in our district?
For me, the best way of promoting Toastmasters to non Toastmasters is to make sure that every Toastmaster we have is a brand ambassador of the Toastmasters International Fraternity. As a Toastmasters, when I go, I talk to people, 10 people, 20 people in my circle. When I talk about Toastmasters, they come back and they tell me that, speaking to you, we feel the passion, we feel what Toastmasters is, and we would really want to experience that. So, to make sure that every member becomes a brand ambassador the moment they speak to their non Toastmasters folks, it shows that passion shows and people are interested. Apart from this, yes, there are other marketing things also which I can work with the CGT office, but the first and foremost thing I would want to work is making sure that each Toastmasters we have is a walking talking brand ambassador of the Toastmasters International Fraternity. Over to you.
What innovative approaches will you bring to this role? What innovative approaches will you bring to this role?
Toastmasters right now, the way we perceive is one, it helps us in achieving our educational goals. And secondly, we think when we think about Toastmasters, we also think about networking. My innovation would be to mix these two in a fun way so that people who currently, a big currently in terms of making the division sustainable is we do not see a lot of members coming back. And talking to them, making branding Toastmasters in such a way that they get excited to join back Toastmasters. So that would be my approach. Madhu, I would like to just take one more question and then I'll give my pitch.
Which core value is important to you and why? Which core value is important to you and why?
When okay, just give me a minute. I think when I talk about core values of Toastmasters, the one thing that comes to my mind is sustainability, because that is the one thing that I have been focusing on, and that is the one that is close to my heart. And yeah, sustainability. I would like to go ahead with my pitch now. Okay, starting with my pitch, I have started my Toastmasters journey at 2022. And since then, I have believed in one thing, not just be a member, but to go on and above my membership in terms of being involved and engaged with the district and be of some value. When it comes at a club level, you name any XCOM role, I have taken it. In division level also, from the beginning of my Toastmasters journey, I have served various positions. I've tried to be of help to the district, be it taking up the uh, associate area director role in my first year of being a Toastmasters, helping the division in terms of being a CGD chair for the division. And I relate Toastmasters is something which is very close to my heart. I have seen my own journey, my own development within this fraternity. The Senjuti who started her Toastmasters, who is standing in elections right now. And when I see all of these, I definitely feel that I should be giving it back to people. And my AD term, I had ample opportunity not only to learn but also to give it back. And the same I would want to continue with my division director term as well.